Having said that, I respectfully disagree. Number one, we should not bar foreign student athletes because, there's a saying, basketball without borders. Basketball now is, everywhere. And we should encourage participation from everyone. Number two, hindi nalilimit. If anything, the play of the foreign student imports enhances you. 'Di ba? Kasi kung tayo lang maglalaro-laruan, we have like 6'2", 6'3", 6'4". May mga foreign student athletes na 6'10", 6'11". So, it helps us, 'di ba? Like, may mga tangkad. So, pag pumunta tayo ng international play, medyo sanay na tayo ng konti. Kasi ibang galaw ng mga foreigners talaga, yung athleticism nila, yung brute strength nila. So, we can adjust. Yung Pilipino, hindi matatalo sa creativity, talent, and all that stuff. But we have limitations in height. We have limitations in, when was the last player na meron tayong like Collins Akawi na 6'10", 280 na parang tangke, di ba? So, I think it helps.